Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on lights out on your dark theme settings on your accounts on X Twitter. Easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click on this icon here, and here you'll find lights out. Click on it like this, and that's it, will be turned on. And that's how to turn on the lights out on your account on X Twitter on the dark theme settings. Easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.